The Hungry Vacuum Cleaner. Hi, kindergarten. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Was nice to see you on the video. I saw some of you on the video yesterday. Okay, I have problem for today.
Yeah.
Problem for today is there was one kid and they had 6 bubble blocks. Hold them up, alligator. Oh my goodness, alligator, that is big. And another kid who had 6 bubble blocks. And they were playing away. And then they went outside to play a different game. When they came back, their mum had been doing the vacuuming, and this is what they found. Uh-oh! This kid here, with these 6 bubble blocks, said, uh-oh, because he thought he was going to have to share them with this kid. And this kid said, oh no, how many did I lose? I'm going to have to find them again. How many did this kid lose? Problem for today. Remember, they both had the same, and now this kid only has this? How many does she have to find? How many would we have to add on to this to make it back to the same as what she had before? How many are missing? Thank you, alligator.
That's all right. I like holding things with my mouth.
3 plus what equals 6? Get a pen. Get paper. Okay, so the kid whose bubble blocks got vacuumed up had this many. And when they were vacuumed up, she was only left with this many. How many did she need to find? How many are missing? Looks like 3. 1, 2, 3. If she got 3 more, then she would be able to put these back together and have the same amount again. Just like a brother. Okay, so how can we write that down with math writing? Let's try it. The question was 3. Oh, maybe I'll do it in big black pen so you can see. 3, you got 3, add, we need to know how many to add. Let's put question mark. 3, add how many to be the same as 6. Okay. So our answer has to go in where the question mark is. So that means we would write 3 plus 3, plus those together, is the same as, yeah, look, they are the same. It's the same quantity. It's the same amount as 6. Numbers tell us how many.
Miss Andrew.
Yes, alligator?
Miss Andrew, that looks very difficult.
Well, you know, it kind of looks difficult, but once you know how, And when you know what it means, it all makes sense.
Does it make sense, kids? Well, you are very smart. Is that all, Miss Andrew?
Yeah, I think it's all because you know what? It's Friday. And we've had a lot of fun this week.
Yeah, we sure have.
So Alligator, we will see these kids soon. And you know I saw some of them on the video and they were all waving. Yeah, and they brought their stuffies.
These kids have stuffies.
Yeah, they do. Okay, guys. See you soon. Have a good weekend.
Bye, kids. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye.
Okay, Alligator, that's enough now. Bye, 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 bye. No, Alligator, don't say that again.
Bye, 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 bye. I didn't say goodbye. I said bye, 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 bye.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's all right then. One more time, Alligator.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Miss you. The end.